Top ready guys folks, today 24th September Sunday, and today's video is about Tesla. We're gonna cover two things today folks. One is how do I make $10,000 trading Tesla in 10 minutes every week. Only I stay in the trade for 10 minutes. How do I do? Then we will also look at the weekly update about the Tesla. All right, so let's take a look at it, what exactly we did folks, everybody in the community. So normally, as you can see right here, this is the WhatsApp community folks. So we traded Tesla on Friday right here. Somebody made $5,000 right here profit. Great job. I also took a trade. This is Apple, sorry, this is Apple. I did that too. Then somebody traded here Tesla, he made money. Wonderful, 50% profit. Then I took my trade Tesla, 400 contract folks right here. Look at that trade. And I took a timestamp 109 and I made $8,000 in 3 minutes. The trade lasted 3 minutes folks. 109 timestamp, 113, 112, I'm out. Okay. Point here is folks, when I'm taking my Tesla on Monday trade, I'll be paying $700 one contract. So same trade, I take my trade on Friday when the option expired, correct? So these trade cost me $67. But I don't just go and trade only on Friday. I also need a setup. So we all discuss this thing on a Tesla. So whatever happened on 1 minute chart, which is if this, so we were here on Thursday. Path to success class, price was here on a Thursday right here, 255 area, right? And we discuss on path to success, which is right here recorded on the class. I mean, this is the class folks. Okay, path to success, this is what I said on Thursday. Look at the Thursday. Okay, what I see here, look at these puts being purchased. Tesla yesterday was 300 million, today is 86 million. So we need to see what, I always watch Tesla. If that happen, then we're gonna use it, because I think something is not, everything else happened to every stock but did not go Tesla too much. The Tesla is, let me see, yeah, Tesla, look at the 5 minute charts. That's the Thursday video. Hold on, let's look into Tesla always. Look at the price at that time when I was looking at the Tesla on Thursday in the class, right? In the night time, right? In the night when I was giving the class, price was right here. Wow, do you see what I see? Look at this. Tesla is in a gap. They are trying to fill the gap. Look at that, there's a gap. This whole gap from here to here. So Tesla is right now filling up the gap. So the market, Tesla could go to 247. So that could. You heard? Also tomorrow. All right. So we're gonna take a look at tomorrow. So yeah, I said Tesla could go to 247, right? You heard that? Exactly. So that's the trade I also took on a Friday when that happened. But if I knew, that's what we learned in path to success class, and I took a 400 contract. If I knew early, I did that. If I would have not known the setup, I would not be taking 400 contract. I'll be taking 50 contract, right? I'll be taking 20 contracts, something, whatever, reduce the size. But when the setup, so these I took my trade at 109, as you can see, timestamp 109. So let's take a look at what I discussed in the class. Pop in, right? We're gonna look at all this order flow, but we're gonna keep this thing in mind. Tesla had a lot of bearish flow last 2 days, because yesterday also I submitted. Yesterday I saw. Let me see. This is right here. Not this one. Right here. Look at it, 329 million put been purchased yesterday. And then today also, top trading folks, let's take a look at the 86 million. So something might be going, God knows. That if
Tesla is going to test 249 in the morning and will bounce back again.
So I don't want to do guesswork. We want to see what, so there are two things, coin has a two side. I don't go first. You say I don't want to go first? Okay, I'm explaining that I don't want to go first and we could go last, this, right? But look at this, what I just said about it. Okay, now this one.
The opening trade.
No,
That considered as the cancel.
so if they open pre-market up here, then the gap is open. That is gap is open, and then they probably later
Okay.
on. Who cares about right now? We care about is to we care about during the daytime to happen, right? And that's what we need to look for
Okay.
it. Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
I got it.
So we don't want first folks. Okay, tomorrow is the area where market, there might be some, like we already discussed about it. Market first, market first, market first, not Tesla, not Amazon.
You heard what I say?
That's what we should give the market a time, because most likely Friday, the longer the time they spend in the morning in a one area rather than moving too much far, right? They might create a little area and then just stay between ping pong and burn out everybody's premium. And then they later on, if they move, because
You heard later on they move, they're gonna burn out. So let's take a look at the chart, what they did on a Friday. Okay, so look here. Friday, right here is your Friday chart. Look at that. So we took a look at on Thursday and Friday right here. Tesla going up, up until 12 o'clock, and then started going down, and then we caught this right here. Let me bring it to you so you can see that the trade. I can bring you. So look at that. What happened? Tesla. Look at that. So Tesla started dumping.
Tesla.
So this is my trade I took. One second.
Way late, folks. Way late, but it's okay. Just to.
Let me sorry, bring it little bit early. So right here, Tesla, you can see right here.
Everything is okay. Something is going to happen here, folks. I gotta get ready.
Got to get ready. Something going to happen. Market about to break. If market breaks, Tesla gonna break with it. Swapping up resistance building right here on Tesla, right? I'm doing fast forward, folks, so you can see this is recorded video on Friday play. Look at that, Tesla dumping.
Wow, Tesla broke the floor, folks. Look at the Tesla breaking the floor. Interesting. Tesla is 250. Alright, so this support market broke. How far they could go? Yeah, gap filling up for olive gap. Remember Tesla, we discussed about the gap. That's what Tesla is heading. So it looks like there is yeah.
Market broke the support. Tesla.
I'm waiting for if something that's easy gap market. Okay, I announced earlier yesterday we talked about it, right? And I said about that they want to do it.
251 is the price at the time when we.
Right there. Target is, I mean, a Tesla. Target is, I mean, a Tesla put, okay? Target is 249, which we discussed.
So I said I'm in the Tesla put. Target is 249 right here.
We discussed this in Path to Success class yesterday, right? Remember?
So I announced that we discussed in Path to Success class, and then market, Tesla went down. Look at that, boom, boom, boom.
That's the gap. I know you could do it. You just
It's 250 right there, Tesla.
Call it.
Okay, I'm out of my Tesla. Okay, so I'm out of my Tesla, and I said I'm done. So that's the trade I took 400 because I had a size, so I got to get out of it faster. I made $8,000 in 3 minutes, right? So, but the trade I took is right here, folks, so you can understand this what happened. So at the time when this is the premium chart, folks. Okay, at the time when I take strike price $250 put. So when I bought it at 67 cents, right here premium was 67. Right here I took my trade. That trade 67-cent trade went to almost $6, folks. 550 right here, 550, right? That trade, one contract. If I would have hang on to, but could have, would have, should have, that's the fastest way to blow up account because every day doesn't do that market. But I had a size. I care about what I got in our pocket. We don't care about what we left on the table, right? And look at that trade. But I also traded later stage also right here. This I took my trade at 242 timestamp. 100 contract because I made some profits. I said, you know what, why not to put some money? So I made $1,700, something like that right here. Okay, so let me show you what I did in that trade. Right here, the timestamp was is 242, right? So let me bring it to you, 242. So 242, when market sell off, Tesla sell off and bounce right here. 242, and I again shorted because you can apply the cloud conditions right there, and then they got a rejection, and I got exited in right to 3 candles, and boom, you know, that's how I took the trade. So point here is, folks, is all about like how you take the, like smart people, they don't work harder, folks, for 7 days. You need to work for few minutes, and this is how we take a trade right here, folks, and that's what we learn in Path to Success class also. Just to let you know how you pay off your fees for the classes, also just to give you right there in front of your eyes, folks. It's up to you whether you want to learn it or not, how to do it, right? So you know, this is how we take the Tesla trade. So this is one of the trades I do post on and off. This kind of activities what I do. Rest of the things is all is in the, my trades are here. I submit whenever I take the trades also right here. I made $12,000 profit on SPX, but today is not the video for that. Okay, so that's how I trade Tesla. All right, now if you want to join the community, folks, right here you can scan the code and you can use you can open your camera and you can scan the code and you can join the WhatsApp community if you want to. And if you want to join the YouTube community, folks, right here I go every day live morning 9:30 to 4 p.m. 9:30 to 4 p.m. every day live, and I take my trade and I share my screens free of charge every day, folks. So if you want to join the community, please sure join the community, folks. It's free of charge, folks. Free of charge on YouTube right here. Every day I go live. And if you want to join, follow me on Twitter right here, folks. You can type it in Top Trading Edge. Make sure I'm verified because there are some scam people are there too. But yeah, right here, Top Trading Edge. So that's the Twitter if you want to follow me. Alrighty. Now let's take a look at the Tesla condition, see what Tesla look like right now, you know, daily chart. So okay, let's look at into this. All right, so daily what I see right now, market is building, Tesla is building sloping resistance right here. Now let me get rid of this. Okay, let me get rid of few things, folks, so make it chart more clear. Okay, let me get rid of that. Okay. All right, now what we see here is MACD crossing down right here, squeeze coming in, and cloud conditions are super duper bearish right there, and we are about to test the demand area right there. So let's understand what market did. So we went up here, we went down, test the demand, we bounce, and did we cross the higher high? No. So tops are falling. You see this? Tops falling. Whenever you, so if you understand this part, what do you think? Tesla looking bearish, folks. Okay, Tesla look, only thing is the bullish side is the MACD still in a bull territory, but crossing the signal line is bearish. Cloud conditions are also bearish on Tesla. So I would give a heads up that watch out on a Tesla, folks, because only thing is bull side is you are testing the demand area, which is right here. If this demand area breaks, this, then Tesla going to go and test the 210. Yes, that area Tesla could go. Okay, so keep that thing in mind, folks, right here. Okay, so that's the next. So we are sloping. This is downward channel, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We got rejection, lower low, correct? Lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we could go and test 212 if market condition, if the SPY market goes down further, then Tesla could go, and most likely this is what it looks to me, because cloud conditions are not also bullish, not bullish, right? That is the reason I said that. It's up to you, folks. You do your due diligence before you enter into any of your trade, folks. Okay, but this is what I see. This is your demand area. 30% chance it could bounce, right? 70% chance it could probably go further more lower. That's what technicals are telling me, folks. There are so many Tesla bulls, and if I make the video, they hate me, right? Folks, understand, I have no intention, I have no position whatsoever. I'm just one of the guy who just trying to be very honest, whatever I see, and that's what I post whenever I make the Tesla video. And if anything bearish, I always lose 4 or 5 followers on Twitter, I notice. But hey, folks, I apologize, but what I'm gonna tell the truth, what I see. I'm not gonna be here doing the boot polish that hey, Tesla always bullish. No, that's not me. So I'm gonna tell you what I see. This is what it looks like. Okay, so let's look at the 30-minute charts. Let's look at the 4-hour charts actually. So let's not do guesswork. So okay, 4-hour chart, cloud is broken. As you can see, MACD just entered into bear territory also. So look at the signal line gap between. So look like a bearish. So we might go and break to 40. It can happen also. Okay, that's what the 4-hour chart looks like. So let's go and take a look at the 30-minute charts. Okay, so 30-minute charts, what you see here, 30-minute charts is the demand area. We are finding the support here, this right here, this support. So we need to see what happens in this area too. If you see tomorrow anytime 240 broken, 240, then the game is over on Tesla. All right, just keep that thing in mind. But daily chart is telling me is weak. Okay, this is daily. Whenever daily looks weak, that's alarming. So maybe 1 or 2 days, but eventually Tesla has a weakness right now, because if you apply your supply demand class, what do you see? We got lower low. This point to this point is lower, right? That's what I mean. So keep those things in mind, lower low. All right. So yeah, folks. So join the community, folks. Every day I'm live morning 9:30 to 4 p.m. Join Top Trading Edge. Type it in on YouTube, Top Trading Edge, and join the community, folks. All right. See you guys tomorrow. I'll also post the videos right here. If you want to see, click on video right here. Live is live, video is video. I post market update video. So I'm going to post the market update video tonight, okay? Maybe around 10 o'clock, folks. I got to go somewhere, my son's birthday, but I will post it, okay? So see you guys, all right? See you tomorrow. Thanks, bye.